Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, in the Western Caribbean this evening, we are monitoring an area of clouds from a trough system, a very shallow trough system that is across the open waters of the basin. The system is moving further towards the west very slowly. We're expecting the system to be continuing to die out, so we're not expecting significant cloud activity across the open waters over the next few days. We also still have that weak frontal system creating some clouds across sections of the west. Now, in our forecast for tonight, we're expecting generally fair skies across most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. In the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny conditions across most of the island. And for the afternoon, look for a few clouds if you're across inland areas or across western parishes. Temperatures 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and we expect the temperature in Montego Bay to get to 31 degrees Celsius. Our breakdown has generally sunny conditions in Morant Bay and Portmore tomorrow, while it's partly cloudy in the afternoon in Kingston, Spanish Town, Mappin, and Mandeville. Expect some clouds in the afternoon as well in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Morning clouds for Port Antonio and Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, sunny skies for Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, with an increase in clouds likely in the afternoon in Brownstown, Falmouth, Montego Bay, and Lucy. Now, the next few days, expect partly cloudy conditions for most of the afternoon on Sunday. A few showers are likely across sections of central and western parishes on Monday. Thereafter, we're back to partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon on Tuesday and Wednesday. For the marine forecast, the north coast has winds from the east at 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. We're expecting the wave heights to be between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect 15 to 20 knot winds from the east-southeast. Wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for offshore areas, a small craft warning is in effect. We're expecting winds to get to 25 knots out of the east-northeast. Wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. And the outlook has the winds dropping back to 20 knots on Sunday and then dropping again to 15 knots at a maximum on Monday and Tuesday. The sunset in Kingston, 5:31, 5:34 in Mandeville, 5:37 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.